All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Hardwood Floors, over here in Irvine, giving you guys an update. Can't wait to put all these before, during, and after videos. Let's go in and show you what we've got done. I know you've seen a couple of videos, but I wasn't the one doing them. All right, so just right off the bat, what a difference. Working on the steps right now, piece by piece. I like the dark handrail, but I mean, in all reality, if this was a fresh build, the whole step would be solid maple, and this skirt wouldn't be the dark brown, but that would have been an outrageous amount of money, and this is a pretty nice look. Got the step down, but this maple changes everything. I wish you could feel it when I'm walking on, because this is an entirely floating system, so it's better on your knees, your back, everything. Same way we do basketball courts and racquetball rooms. But we didn't want any toxic glue. But man, what's it? And we just got the okay to do the upgrade. Look at that. Woo, beautiful. And we're going to do the upgrade on the finish. We're going to do the Loba 2K Invisible. So it's going to actually be a little bit lighter than what it is now. Once we sand it. And you've seen that Invisible from other projects. You guys are up here hard at it. Yeah. What we did in here is we've left a nice gap here. We're going to fill that in with clear caulking all the way around before we put up our molding. Change the direction in this master bedroom so it runs the length of the room back and forth. Instead of shortening the room, if we had to run it this direction, we turned it with the hallway. And then all the rooms will stay this direction. Whew. Getting close. Getting close. All right, guys. Any questions? Reach out to us. We have a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors. Let us know. Whatever you're doing today, hope you enjoy it.